Definitely a hit. Look at how cheesy that is. Definitely a hit. The Parmesan is doing exactly what it's supposed to. Today we're making something simple but absolutely delicious. We're doing garlic parmesan chicken drumettes with a creamy garlic parmesan pasta on the side. Nothing fancy, no complicated ingredients, just a comforting meal that tastes like you spent way more time on it than you actually did. So if you're ready, come into the kitchen and let's get cooking. One thing about me, I love recipes that don't require a grocery list a mile long. So today we're working with some chicken drumettes that I already seasoned. Look at how good these drumettes are looking, right? I'm flipping them at the halfway mark because the goal today is creamy, garlicky, and cheesy goodness. I wasn't planning to do anything elaborate. I just wanted a nice lunch, but sometimes the simplest meals end up being the best ones. These drumettes have been air frying for a while and I've been getting everything else ready. So I'm gonna be grating my Parmesan cheese because everything's better when it's fresh, right? It's a lot better than the bottled version. Yeah, so you see all the Parmesan cheese being well grated. Yeah, this is what we're working with. So while the drumettes are getting ready, it's time to get started on the pasta. Look at that golden drumette. Oh my goodness. Guys, let me tell you, these drumettes were well seasoned. Look at that color. They already look amazing. And I love using the air fryer because it gives me that extra crispy texture without all the extra oil. Now it's time for the pasta. And a little tip, always save some of your pasta water. It doesn't seem like much, but it can help bring a sauce together very beautifully. So I get the pasta started and now it's time to work on the garlic butter. I'm using butter and I'm using some garlic, lemon and basil. And listen, the smell of that garlic and basil is already making me hungry. So I add that to the saucepan and let that saute for a while. I add some paprika because if you know me, I'm always extra. I added some parsley in there as well because cranberry extra. Some black pepper. And then I'm just gonna mix that up nicely. And then I'm gonna toss those wings in there. Added the wings to the pot with the butter, garlic, and all my seasonings. And then I'm just gonna toss that and add the Parmesan cheese and get that all mixed in there. I'm gonna coat that with that garlic and Parmesan butter. And this is one of those recipes where, the ingredients do the heavy lifting. Look at that. This it was so amazing, guys. I sprinkled some of the bottled Parmesan cheese on there as well. Give that a nice little shake and I set that aside and it's back to the pasta. Now the pasta is al dente. I add some butter to the saucepan again and then I'm gonna add some more of the garlic, melon and basil. I'm gonna mix that up and then I'm gonna be adding some half and half and some heavy cream because I want a rich sauce without making it too heavy. Once I've done that, then I'm gonna add, you guys know I'm always extra, so some parsley flakes were added into there and I also added some of my roasted garlic sauce and then I give that a good stir and then it was time to add in my grated Parmesan cheese. Let's get that sauce nice, rich and creamy before we toss the pasta in. So you're just gonna mix that up, let all the cheese melt and combine with the heavy cream and the half and half, and then we're gonna toss in the pasta. We're gonna make sure that every single bit of our pasta is well coated with our rich and creamy garlic Parmesan sauce. And then it's gonna be time to plate that bad boy up and chow down. Let me tell you guys, by this time the fragrance in the kitchen was making me really, really hungry. Now it was time to plate. I added some of that creamy pasta onto my plate, and then it was time to add those chicken drumettes. I added my drumettes, and of course the girl extra extra extra. So I added some more parsley flakes. I added some parmesan cheese again, and then I did a drizzle of my roasted garlic sauce just to add that little extra oomph. And yeah, guys, ready to chow down right now. Okay, guys, now for the moment of truth. Is this a hit or a miss? Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Definitely a hit. Look at how cheesy that is. Definitely a hit. The Parmesan is doing exactly what it's supposed to. And garlic doing anything. And you guys saw that I add more garlic, right? On top of the garlic that I added to the cheese sauce, I still topped it up with some of my roasted garlic sauce. So you guys know this is really some garlic parmesan. So our garlic parmesan pasta with some garlic parmesan chicken drumettes. Let me know if you try something like this at home, because listen, I came into the kitchen and I said to myself that I was gonna make something so plain and so simple for my lunch because it's a rainy day, and I just surprised myself and I did this, and I feel like I'm at a restaurant because hello, we don't need to go out to have good food, right? So yeah, this, according to those people, it busting, it's slapping, it's doing everything it have to do. And that chicken, so tender and nice, and all the flavors. Oh my god. Guys, trust me. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cook next. Okay, I'm gonna indulge in this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.